Welcome students. Today we are going to discuss divisibility rule. In previous video we taught the divisibility of 2, 3, 4. And today we are going to discuss divisibility 5. So already I told you what is divisibility rule. Without actual division we can say any number it can be divisible by another number or not. So this is called divisibility rules. Without actual division we can say any number by another number it can be divisible or not. Okay, so that is why we called divisibility rule. So last class we taught divisibility rule of 2 and 3 and 4. So we know what is the rule of divisibility 2. In ones place, if there is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, in this kind of numbers, if it is in ones place, that number it can be divisible by 2. Then 3, the sum of the digits, we have to add all the digits and total. If it is multiple of 3, then the number it can be divisible by 3. Then 4, I told you have to take last 2 digits and you have to divide by 4. If the last 2 digits divisible by 4, the whole number it can be divisible by 4. Then now we are going to discuss about 5, divisibility rule of 5. So what is the rule of 5, divisibility rule 5? Digits in the ones place is either 0 or 5. If it is in ones place either 5 or 0, the number it can be divisible by 5. Let me take some example. 215 in ones place, what is the digit is there? 5. So as per the rule, the number it is divisible by 5. So the other example, in ones place 0 is there, so the number it can be divisible by 5. So 615, another example, this is also in ones place 5 is there, so this is also can be divisible by 5. So 13,620 in ones place 0 is there, so this is also it can be divisible by 5. Let me take another example. So the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 it can be is it divisible by 5 or not? Is it divisible by 5 or not? How to check? In ones place either 0 or 5, then only the number it can be divisible by 5. But in ones place here 6 is there, so it is not divisible by 5. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. Is it divisible by 2 or not? So it is not divisible by 2 because in ones place 2 is there. So 2 is not yet divisible by 5. The whole number does not divisible by 5. Okay. Let me discuss the another divisibility rule 6. So what is the rule? A number is divisible by both 2 and 3. Any number, if it is divisible by both 2 and 3, that number it can be divisible by 6 also. So we already know what is the rule of 2 and 3. What is the rule of 2? In any number, if it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 in ones place, that number, the whole number it can be divisible by 2. Then what is the rule of 3? Sum of the digits, the total sum of the digits, if it is multiple of 3, that number it can be divisible by 3. So we know the rule of 2 and 3. So we have to check any number. We have to take any number. First we have to check. We have to check by 2. Then another we have to check 3. If it is both divisible, then that number is divisible by 6 also. So first I will do. I am going to check the number. First it is divisible by 2 or not. Okay. So first I am going to divide by 2. So in ones place 6 is there. So I can say without actual division, the 9126 it can be divisible by 2. Okay, so condition okay, because in ones place 6 is there. I know the rule. In ones place, if it is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, that whole number it can be divisible by 2. Okay, then it is divisible by 2. Now we want to check the number it can be divisible by 3 or not. So what is the rule of 3? As per the 3, 9 plus 1 plus 2 plus 6 is equal to, so 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 6, 18. 18 is the multiple of 3 or not? So we know multiple of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21 and so on. So 18 is the multiple of 3. So the number 9126, it can be divisible by both 2 and 3. See, I know the divisibility rule. The number it can be divisible by 2 and 3 also. So that's why I can say the number it can be divisible by 6 also. Okay. So it can be divisible by 6 also. Okay. Let me check another number, another example. The number can be divisible by 6 or not. So if you want to know the number it can be divisible by 6 or not, before that we want to check if the number divisible by 2 and 3, both we want to check. So as for that, in this number, in ones place 0 is there. So 0 means the number it can be divisible by 2 also. So 7390, the number can be divisible by 2. So let me check the number can be divisible by 3 or not. So how will you check? 7 plus 3 plus 9 plus 0 is equal to 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 9 19, 19 plus 0 19. So 19 is it's not a multiple of 3. So the number cannot divisible by 3. So that 6 also cannot divisible by, the number 7390 cannot divisible by 6. Why? Because the number it can be divisible by 2, but it cannot be divisible by 3. Okay. Let me take another example. 20994. So it can be divisible by 6 or not. So I don't know. So I will check first by 2, then after I check by 3. So if you see in ones place there is 4. So 4 it can be divisible by 2. So we can say the number 20994 it can be divisible by 2. Let me check it can be divisible by 3 or not. So how to check? 2 plus 0 plus 9 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 9 20, 20 plus 4 24. If you see 24 is a multiple of 24 is the multiple of 3. So it means the number it can be divisible by 3 and 2. Both number it can be divisible. So that's why we can say the number can be divisible by 6 also. Okay. I hope you understand the divisibility of 5 and 6.